Hi, I'm Damion from the agency and welcome to the leafy suburb of Paramount Park. Today we're at 52 Angela Road, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 4-car accommodation with a swimming pool thrown in. Now, that might sound like your average family home here in Rockyview. Well, you would be wrong, because today we have something special. We have a true dual living arrangement, which is something to be seen. If you're curious, come with me now and let's take a look. So whether you have an extended family or multiple generations under one roof, 52 Angela Road could be the perfect home for you.